Hi friends, in this video we shall discuss fractional distillation of crude oil. Well, think about where the petrol that we use in cars come from, or where the gas we use in stoves come from, or where paraffin comes from. Well, it's all thanks to crude oil. So what is crude oil? Now, crude oil may simply be defined as a mixture of hydrocarbons. It is also called petroleum. Now, crude oil is refined in the following way. Firstly, it is separated into different fractions. Now, this happens because they have different boiling points. Now, the components of fractions with the lowest boiling point boil off first, and those with the highest boiling point will be the least to boil. Take a look at the refinery tower. Well, it looks very simple from the outside, but very hot in the inside. To start with, let's discuss refinery gas. Now, refinery gas has got 4 carbon atoms. Its other name is petroleum gas. It is used as a fuel in gas cookers. Did you know that it boils at a temperature of around 50 degrees Celsius? Let's talk about gasoline. Gasoline, which is commonly referred to as petrol, is another fraction of crude oil, having 5 to 10 carbon atoms. It is used as a fuel in cars. On to the next one, naphtha. Naphtha has got 8 to 12 carbon atoms. It is used as a feedstock and also used to make chemicals. Let's also talk about kerosene, commonly referred to as paraffin. Now, this one has got 10 to 16 carbon atoms. It is used in jet engines. Now, one important thing you have to keep in mind when you are in the exam room is that paraffin at that particular moment is not used in lamps. Perhaps that's just a domestic use. Let's also talk about diesel. Now, diesel has got 14 to 20 carbon atoms. It is used in diesel engines, commonly referred to as heavy duty. Let's also talk about lubricating oil. Lubricating oil has got 50 or 20 carbon atoms. Now, quickly get a packet of Vaseline and check the ingredients used to make it. You should be able to see lubricating oil. All in all, lubricating oil is used to make Vaseline, grease, and wax. Let's move on to fuel oil. Fuel oil has 50 to 70 carbon atoms. Its use is slightly different from diesel in the sense that the fuel oil is used in ships. Last but not the least, bitumen. Bitumen has 70 and above carbon atoms. Did you know it is used for surfacing roads and building houses? So now, can you still remember the different fractions of crude oil? Let's list them. Refinery gas, also called what? Petroleum. Petrol, also called gasoline. Naphtha. Kerosene, also called paraffin. We have diesel, fuel oil, lubricating oil, and finally bitumen. You can use this acronym to understand better. Richard paid 90 kwacha directly to favor leaving Benjamin. Guys,